Hi guys, it is Kylie again, and today we are going to be doing a special holiday edition video. And to go with that special edition, we have my special narwhal loving guest, Hope. Hi guys, I'm Hope, and Kylie is completely and totally right. I love narwhals. So today, Kylie has agreed to let me onto her channel so we can do a narwhal drawing tutorial / Factplooza. Which means while Kylie is teaching you how to draw an awesome narwhal, I will be sprinkling facts all over this table. Just like you would sprinkle sprinkles on Christmas movie. So, there you go. Alright, so now I'm going to start by drawing a little curved line like so, and then making like a bottom to that curved line, right? Then I'm going to do the same thing again and connect them like so. And we're going to keep on going up and up and up and up, making them smaller each single time, like so. Now, Hope, are there any special facts about narwhals you want to tell us now?
Sure. So, a really commonly asked question about narwhals is, what are they? Obviously. So, a narwhal, it's in the beluga whale family, and they're basically a whale, but they're known for their very long tusk tooth / horn. Should be above their mouth, but most of the time it's drawn as a horn because narwhals are the unicorns of the sea. So, that's how a narwhal is normally drawn. Is it coming up? So, Kylie, how about you show us more about the narwhal? How to draw it?
This is its horn, but normally a horn would be sticking out of its nose, just as you said.
But today we're going to be drawing it as
Like basically more like a unicorn, so it's going to be on its head. Like there.
Okay, just joking.
Alright, next we will be doing like a curved line.
Which will be its body.
Yeah, and another curved line. And then you want to connect those two curved lines by drawing a little tail.
Cute.
Ta-da!
Don't make your tail too big because then it'll be bigger than the horn.
Yeah. Alright, so now Hope, are there any other cool things you want to tell us?
Well, a question that isn't very commonly asked, but it's a fun question to answer.
Yeah.
Can a narwhal win in a sword fight? It's probably not going to happen.
Yeah.
It's very unlikely that a narwhal would end up in a circumstance where it would be battling a human on land with a steel sword. So, yeah. But nobody's completely sure what the exact primary reason of a narwhal's horn is, but there are a lot of reasons that we know for sure that it could use. Like, for instance, it can spear its food with it, and sometimes during mating season, it can use it to battle other males. And it's a pretty sensitive horn, so some people say that it can detect the temperature of the water, so they know when it's time to find a warmer place.
I did not know that.
But I'm pretty sure narwhals don't really migrate, but I mean, it's a pretty cool theory.
Okay, so what I've done is I've drawn some eyes with little white speckles like little white circles in the middle of the eyes, and then I'm coloring around the white circles like I would normally do in the pupil of a human eye.
watch her how to draw an eye video to find out more about that.
Yeah. Alright, so now that I'm done with the eyes, I'm just gonna draw like a little oval over
Now,
here.
just know that in real life, narwhals do not blush.
Yeah.
So,
Maybe I can draw a little bit of the white on the eye. Alright, so now I'm just gonna move on to their stomach.
it's a bit like a candy cane.
It does.
For our holiday video.
Of course. And here's the mouth.
But other than the mouth, you want to leave that.
Yeah, you want to leave that
stomach area
blank.
open.
All right. So, wait. I have one question for you, Hope.
Yes.
What do you think a narwhal might use its horn for exactly? Like, would it battle another narwhal? Would it spear its food with it?
I said that it's a possibility, but nobody really knows the primary reason. Like I said.
Narwhals are kind of a mysterious animal, but they're really cute and really cool.
Yeah. So she's almost done here.
All right, I'm done. Now let's move on to the horn.
Cool. And don't forget to color in her little blushing cheeks. Or his. Oh, and after she's done with this horn, she's going to add a little Christmas surprise since it is our holiday edition.
Yeah, for some holiday cheer.
Hey Kylie, did you notice how this color matches your nails perfectly?
Oh, cool. I did not notice that.
So we got some violet going,
Yeah.
which means that we're almost through the rainbow.
And then finally, I'm going to add a little bit of black because that technically is a color.
Not in the rainbow, but yeah, it's a color.
Yeah. And then some silver. Don't forget to leave one space white. And then I'm gonna add a darker shade.
How come you're leaving space white?
Because white is basically a color. Alright.
That looks awesome.
And now for that Christmas surprise. I'm gonna be drawing a, drumroll please, Santa hat! Just like the one I'm wearing over here.
Except for that's
Yay.
tiara.
Yeah, no tiara.
Mine's sparkly.
Just gonna draw like a rectangle right there. And I'm gonna draw a line to the side, another line to the
Or
side.
Santa hat. It's getting cool.
Stab. And then I'm just gonna color it in with some
Glitter
red. Okay, red glitter glue. Okay.
Squeeze. What the? Some strange glitter you got there, girl. Just leave it in the blob. Why not?
All right. Well, that's our narwhal. Hope you enjoyed this video.
And if you did, make sure to
Smash that subscribe button.
And if you liked her special narwhal, down below that